Hello Year 9. Today you're going to begin exploring knee-high's Hansel and Gretel. Why? To understand what the play is about and to gain ideas for how to stage this piece. Your first task is to complete the retrieval practice. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to write down your answers on your sheets. If you're working from home, record these on a piece of paper, making sure you're writing in full sentences. And here are the answers. Number 1, pitch. Number 2, gesture. Number 3, proxemics. And number 4, tone. Write down the correct answers on your sheets, and if you're working at the academy, you can stick your sheet in your book now. This term we're going to be studying and performing extracts from Hansel and Gretel, Carl Gross's adaptation of Brother Grimm's fairy tale for the brilliant Knee-High Theatre Company, which uses rhyme and riddle to tell the dark and twisting tale of two children who were lost in the woods, tempted by a house made of sweets. Gross's version revels in the grotesque merriment of a child-eating witch and the naive wonder of two siblings trying to find their way home. Task: read through the extract of the play you have been given. Then paraphrase what is happening in the scene and who are the characters, what do they like. You do not need to write anything down, you just need to tell the person next to you the answers to these two questions in your own words. If you are working from home, you will find this script extract in the file section. You can answer these questions by saying them out loud in full sentences. Task: imagine that you are a costume designer and you're designing a costume for the witch from this extract. What would she wear? In pairs, discuss the items of clothing, the colours, the materials and the conditions. Use the thought stems to help you so that you are forming full sentences. For example, if I was designing a costume for the witch, I would dress her in, then discuss the items of clothing. The condition of the skirt would be woolen to show that she has made the skirt herself. So you are focusing on the 4 points for discussion: items of clothing, colours, material and condition, and use the thought stems to help you formulate your answers. If you are working from home, you can do this by yourself. Now have a go at answering the following question. You are a costume designer for a performance of this extract. You are designing a costume for Hansel. Describe how you would dress Hansel to reflect the fact that he has spent a night in the woods. 4 marks for this question. In your answer, you should refer to items of clothing worn, colour, condition and fabrics. You are writing this answer in full sentences in your books. On the right of this image, you can find an example to help you. Written task for those students who are not performing today. Read through the script again, then annotate your script with at least 3 examples for each character of your ideas for vocal and physical skills used to show your character. You must be able to explain your decisions when asked by your teacher. Look at the knowledge organizer at the front of your book to help remind you of the vocal and physical skills you should be discussing. Practical task: rehearse the given extract showing your ideas for vocal and physical skills used to show your character. You must be able to explain your decisions when asked by your teacher. If you would like, you can make some notes on your script to help remind you of how you wish to use these skills. You can refer to your knowledge organizer at the front of your book to help remind you of the skills needed. Performance and review. Groups will be selected to perform their scenes to the rest of their class. Whilst they are performing, as a class, you are thinking about the questions on the screen. What do you think was most effective? What was least effective? How did the actors show what their characters were like through the use of successful vocal and physical skills? What could be further added, changed, or improved to make the piece more effective? You should speak in full sentences using key terminology to help you answer these questions. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to watch the performances. I hope you've enjoyed learning and exploring Knee High's Hansel and Gretel. Until next time, goodbye.